The Trelawny police are awaiting forensic results to determine the identity of a partially decomposed female body which was discovered in Falmouth on Saturday. The police theorized that the woman was murdered elsewhere and dumped at the location where it was found. Reports are that the partially decayed body was discovered in bushes near Foreshore Road in the Trelawny capital by residents who then alerted the police. The law enforcers processed the scene, after which the body was removed to a funeral home. No motive has been determined for the suspected murder. Photograph of a well-known breadman said to be known as Freddy, who was reportedly fatally shot last night on Market Street in Montego Bay, St. James. The Gainesville police have launched an investigation into the chopping death of a man in Middlesex District in St. Catherine. The man's mutilated body was found about 11 a.m. on Saturday. The residents who made the discovery summoned the police. Upon their arrival, the police reportedly observed that there were chop wounds all over the body. The police have not yet identified the deceased. A man who is on the St. James Most Wanted list for double murder and wounded with intent was captured in the parish on Sunday. Police report that Lorenzo Walters, otherwise called Larry, was held in a joint police-military operation. His sister was also arrested in the incident and is expected to be charged with harboring a fugitive. Reports are that between the hours of 4 a.m. and 7:30 a.m., the security team conducted the operation at a premises in search of Walters. During the operation, the premises that was occupied by Walters' 26-year-old sister was searched, and Walter was seen and apprehended. Additionally, 6 letter-sized sheets of paper, 3 notebooks containing identity information, 8 cell phones, and 1 tablet were also seized, the police said. Both Walters and his sister were arrested. According to the police, Walters will be slapped with additional charges. The sister's identity is being withheld pending further investigation.